Hello everyone, today we're taking a look at a 1998 Cobalt 293. This boat has a Mercury 7.4 liter inboard-outboard engine, complete with the Bravo 3 lower unit, counter-rotating props. All right, welcome aboard Blue Eyes. Starting off, you do have a nice covering there on that swim platform. Very easy access through the port side up into this nice cockpit area with tons of space for entertainment. It does have a table that is currently stowed away. You have a really nice little entertainment area for a small kind of galley, wet bar area. Plenty of space up at the helm, at the bolster seat. Definitely seat two people pretty comfortably. And then with the forward walkthrough on the windshield, this boat does have camper canvas that is not currently on board, and it does have carpeting that is not currently on board. It's all being stowed away to keep it in good shape for the next owner. And then moving down into this nice little forward cuddy area, you have a sleeping space with a table that goes up, a nice little kind of galley spot, little kitchenette area, easy access to your power panel, your AC. And then you do have a nice little bathroom with plenty of space to get changed in and out of a wet swimsuit or just escape down out of the conditions that you might be encountering. So give us a call at 920-746-8200 to schedule your showing today. Thanks for watching.